Great question. Not from the beginning. So originally, as far as practicing law was concerned, I figured I'd do something with maybe real estate or maybe entertainment law because I'm a musician. I play like 5 instruments. So I was like, oh, I'll help my musician friends and do something in music law, etc. But when I started practicing law, for whatever reason, everyone started asking me about nonprofits. So that ended up being my thing. I was 17. I had such big dreams for starting my nonprofit. It's called Revolution Leadership. I was excited. I wanted to change the world. And it was really, really hard. I got bad advice. I even, talked to attorneys and, I got advice from attorneys, but they didn't specialize in nonprofit law. So they gave me bad advice. I talked to CPAs that gave me bad advice. I mean, the internet gave me bad advice. It was just so many things. So as a result of that, it was really hard and I made a lot of mistakes and it took me a lot longer to really start making the type of impact that I wanted to make. And so in my mind, Chisholm Law Firm is the firm I wish existed, like a place that I could talk to an attorney that specialized in nonprofits. So they could actually, give me advice that is relevant, but also they would know what they were talking about. They would be an expert at it. So I wouldn't have to worry about if they told me the wrong thing or not, because that happened to me and I had to spend money and spend time redoing things in my charity because, I got bad advice. And then also something that was important to me was a lot of times the attorneys that I encountered, sometimes they would talk down to you, they'd come off like they were better than you because they were a lawyer, or they would just use jargon or, industry terms and you really didn't understand what they were saying anyway. But with our firm, we don't do that.